Hi, I'm Jiachao from NUShortcuts, and today I'm just gonna do a very quick run through of what we've done for the past month, and also a recap of the idea for our app. So the main idea is that since we spend a lot of time and energy traveling around school to different places for like tutorials, lectures, and labs and exams, right? Why not find the most efficient path there, so that over the span of 12 to 13 weeks, or if you scale it up to the length of 4 years, you can save countless hours and days of time, of traveling time. And you can also save a lot of energy from climbing all those stairs, especially those in the CLB area. So our idea is to have a navigation app for NUS students that teaches them all the shortcuts around campus so that they can optimize their time. They can use their time more efficiently and save energy, and stop squeezing on all the shuttle buses around school. So for our app, some of the core features are that the route will like give a few core route types, which is the fastest route for the user to get to the location, to the destination in the fastest time. Least distance for least walking distance for those who don't really want to walk. Least stairs, it's similar to walking distance, but um, it's for people who don't like stairs, or if you just too tired to take any stairs. And sheltered for days where it rains, you don't want to get wet. So one thing we thought about is that if the users get lost, then how will we deal with that? So what we thought of is to have picture guides, so that they can refer to and not get lost. So the next thing is that if users know better shortcuts than we do, we will encourage them to submit the shortcuts to us so that we can approve of it. So we thought of that and added in that as one of the features for app. And if time permits, then we might look into a possible integration with the bus app, so that students can get times and directions to their destinations, not just on foot but also with uh, the NUS shuttle bus. Okay, so that's the recap for our idea. So what have we done in the past month? So for the month of May, for Milestone 1, well, basically what we did was we spent quite a lot of time learning Android Studio and Git. That's about 30 hours or so, or I think it's slightly more. Then we analyze some algorithms to choose which one we're going to use for to complete all the shortest paths for our app. And we explored some databases that we can use to store the pictures. So these are some of the tools that we'll probably need for the next month of development of our app. So we are thinking of using React Native because we want to have this app to have as much impact as possible. So we want to deploy it on both the iOS, iTunes, and also the Android Play Store. So we are considering using React Native to deploy on them both. But for now, since we already learned Android Studio, we're gonna use Android Studio to make our prototype, or continue making our prototype, to make sure that the concepts and features that we are trying to implement are doable. And one last thing is that we definitely need some Google Maps and Places API to help us to deal with our location data. So what next for our shortcuts, NUS shortcuts development? So for the next month, we'll be making a prototype in Android Studio, definitely squishing a lot of bugs. And we'll look through the feedback we're gonna get from this milestone, and yeah, if time permits, we'll start working on the actual app using React Native. So that's all for the milestone 1. Thank you.